warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Hasanah. Now I will explain about variety of public speaking purpose.
First one, speaking to inform. Definition of speaking to inform. Speaking to inform is a type of public speaking that aims to inform the audience about a thing or event. 2. Purpose of the speaking to inform. The purpose of speaking to inform is to provide information to the audience and help the audience understand and remember the information you are presenting. 3. There are 4 types or informative speech. For 1, definition speech is a speech that explains a certain theory or philosophy that is general in nature with the aim of educating the audience about the main topic or point that we convey so that the audience understands the important point that we convey. For the example, eating too much sugar can cause diabetes and is not good for the body. And 2, demonstration speech. Speech that aims to make or do something. For the example, how to make processed food from the basic ingredient of white bread and cheese. 3. Explanatory speech. Provide an explanation of description or certain condition using valid data. Example, an employee becomes a victim of burglary by an unknown person. 4. Descriptive speech. Speech that aims to provide an easy-to-remember picture of an object. Example, the discovery of editing application that make it easier for us to edit a video or photo to be more interesting, such as CapCut, Movie Maker, and Edge. 4. How to do speaking to inform. Make the information relevant to your listeners, and next, relate it to what they already know and involve them in some manner. Keep the information organized and present it in an interesting manner. Remember to repeat the point you want listeners to remember and use visual aids to aid in retention. The next material is speaking to persuade. For the first one, definition of speaking to persuade. Speaking persuade is a speech that is an invitation. The speaker convinces the audience to accept his or her point of view. Second is kind of speaking to persuade. First, preposition of faith. Preposition of faith focus on establishing that something is or isn't, or is true or false. Then, preposition of value. Preposition of value focus on persuading an audience that something good or bad, right or wrong, or desirable or undesirable. Preposition of possessive. Possessive preposition identify a solution to correct the problem. This preposition call for a change in policy, including change in a government, community, or school, or call for the audience to adopt a certain behavior. Then, characteristic of persuasive speaking. For one, direct and precise language from the start. Second, credibility in the exhibition. Third, logical presentation. Fourth, balanced rhythm. And then, how to do persuasive speaking. 1. Over-prepare. 2. Know your audience. 3. Be confident. 4. Treat your presentation like a conversation. 5. Tell stories. 6. Structure your presentation. 7. Ask questions. And the last, stay positive. Then, example from the speaking to persuade is, high school students should be allowed to have cell phones in schools. And the last material is speaking to entertain. For the first is definition. Speaking to entertain is a type of public speaking that is entertaining and attracts the attention of many people and tends to be more informal than persuade speech and speaking to inform. Speaking to entertain, the way delivering information is more relaxed and usually punctuated with jokes so that the audience is entertained and does not feel tense. Even if you use jokes, the information is well conveyed properly. And the next, how to do good entertaining public speaking. For the first one, be prepared. Second, set the tone. 3. Structure is still important. 4. Be adapting to the occasion. 5. Be adaptive to your audience. 6. Use simple language. 7. Be mindful of the time. And then 8. A memorable ending is the way to go. Next, types of entertaining public speaking categories. There are 2 categories, consist from entertaining public speaking that is basically nonsense or filled with jokes, and entertaining public speaking that is based on true event but humorous. Okay, the next is example from entertaining public speaking is Opera Van Java. Okay, I think enough explained from me. If I have mistake, I'm sorry. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.